Automate your record sheets for the BTEC courses. So the first thing you want to do is open up your assessment plan. For our example, we're working through Pearson's BTEC International Level 3 Extended Diploma in Science. You can change this to suit your qualification. Then got the assignment titles down here and the units, and we fill the sheet as you would normally do your plan with all of your dates. You then have your assessor names. Obviously for this demonstration we have just assessor 1, 2 and 3, etc. And at the bottom of the sheet you get file paths for your signatures. So that's step 1. You then pick whichever unit that you would like. So let's say for example we want to look at unit 23B. I want to make record sheets for this unit. I then go to my mail merge sheet over here. I go across, I input the unit that I want, and you'll see these all update to suit that unit. Okay, so that's the first step. You then save the plan that you've just made. Then go across, and you are pulling up your, let's say we want to make a record sheet for this. We open this. We drag down to the mail merge data input, click OK. And you'll see now that all the data that was in your assessment plan will pull across into this. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to update this. So if you go select recipients, use an updated list, I'm just going to go across and use my sheet that I've used there. Again, just tell it where to go, and you'll see all of these fields are all ready to be inputted. These are straight from your assessment tracker that you've made, so there's no point retyping the same things again and again. Right, so if I click preview results just to show you, for anonymity we've obviously got registration numbers as ID 1, learner 1, assessor 1. These dates are pulling exactly from your assessment plan, and the criteria is also pulling from your plan, so there's space for up to 10. What I've also done is you can also put your signatures to go across. In this example I've used cars just for an example of how this would work. So once you're happy that everything's pulled through fine, you can change these as you want. You would click finish and merge. And now you'll see it's made my record sheet for learner 1. Here's the signature for learner 1, and if I just update the sheet, yes, learner 2, same assessor, different signature, same assessor signature, and the same date. So this is just in one swoop made all of your assessment record sheets in one go. It will produce as many as you put. I've just put 3 learners so you can see the rest are blank. But that's one quick way of doing it. It will do exactly the same for internal verification documents and resubmission forms. These have all been inputted with exactly the same. So if I was to show you a internal verification, sometimes it'll pull through for permissions to access photos. So again, I'm using the pictures of cars just to show examples of what it would do for a signature. And we can see here, so this is for an internal verification document. Same again, I'm just going to make sure it's pulling the right list and it's updated. So I click my master sheet again, and there you go. Same through, same unit, assessor, it pulls through the internal verifier for that unit as your plan. You'd have to fill these out obviously, but the majority of the droning work has been done for you. If I just click update for these, you will see the signatures are pulling through as well. So your internal verifier is there, your assessor and your lead internal verifier. Everything will pull through as your plan stipulated. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Thanks for watching.